Welcome back to my channel, Global Quiz Zone.
Welcome to another fun and exciting episode of Guess the Animal by Emojis. Test your animal knowledge with these tricky and fun emoji clues. Get ready, here's your first challenge.
Can you guess the animal? The answer is an elephant. What animal is this? It's a lion. What animal does this emoji represent? It's a zebra. Guess the animal from these emojis. It's a rhinoceros. What mythical animal is this? It's a unicorn. What animal is known for its long neck? It's a giraffe. What animal is symbolized here? It's a tiger. Guess the aquatic animal from these emojis. It's an octopus. What animal can be identified here? It's a swan. What animal is depicted here? It's an otter. Can you name this animal? It's a lizard. Guess the animal associated with these emojis. It's a parrot. What animal is symbolized by these emojis? It's a hippopotamus. Which animal is represented here? It's a shark. What animal does this emoji combination represent? It's a deer. Guess this animal from the emojis. It's a monkey. What is the animal in this emoji? It's a snake. What animal is represented here? It's a lizard. Guess the animal from these emojis. It's a hedgehog. What animal can you identify from this combination? It's also a hedgehog.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more quiz videos.